2025 is here. Let's be prepared for sure. Make good money online, and if you make good money online in 2025, you have to start right now. Can you believe? Really? Yes, me, I do believe. Today is the last day of 2024. It's last, maybe you might be watching it in the last minutes, or you're watching it later, but as I recorded this video, it was in 2024. And if you haven't prepared your mind to take on 2025, please, this is the right time. This is your wake-up call. Online opportunities are growing faster than ever before, and next year, which is 2025, will be full of ways to make good money online. But the question is, are you ready to grab them? Me, I'm very ready. You guys, I'm going to be giving you some segments in this small video of introduction to and ushering us to 2025. The first segment is why preparation is very key. Success in 2025 starts with action today. There is nothing that we need right now. We need action. The online world moves quickly, and those who prepare in advance reap the rewards very heavily. Whether it's freelancing, content creation, affiliate marketing, or tapping into high-paying apps like the ones I just told you previously, there is something for everybody. There's something for you, there's something for me, but you need a plan. Here, this is what you should do right now. Oh, I think some of you know it, but this is just a reminder. One of the things that you need to do is set your goals very clear. In the last days, I know most of us will write a lot of papers, cheats. We don't set our goals very clearly. Decide how much you want to earn online. When we talk about how much, we don't mean monthly now. We can mean hours, we can mean days, we can mean even on a daily basis. Decide on what you want to earn and put full focus on it. You can also write down your methods you want to use. Then too, you have to learn new skills. Platforms like YouTube, the one you're watching right now, Udemy and Skillshare, they offer free and affordable courses on making money online. You guys have learned a lot of things from online and Skillshare. So what you do, get organized and do it. The third thing you need to do is to prepare and get organized. Dedicate time every day to work on your online ventures, even if it's just 1 hour, 30 minutes, but you have to dedicate time. That was segment number 1. The second segment is about top online opportunities to focus on in 2025. I can call this as a recap because you might have heard it in a previous live that I made before this video. Let's look at some of the most promising ways to earn online next year in this online in 2025. It might be next year if you're watching this video in 2024, last minutes of 2024, and it might be 2025 if you're watching it already in 2025. So what should we focus on? One, focus on YouTube, guys. YouTube is it's a gold mine. Start a channel in a niche you're passionate about. Ad revenue, sponsorship, and affiliate marketing can bring in a steady income for you. 2, look into freelancing. I know you have skills. Go to platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and allow yourself to turn your skills into cash. The third one is affiliate marketing. Partner with brands and earn commissions for sales that you make from your links on your social media platforms and even on your apps. Then the third one is high-paying apps. High-paying apps, we have different types of apps. There are apps that you can start with, and there are apps which are high paying. Please do not underlook this. Do not overlook apps. Apps like Honeygrain, Evocation, and even an app. These ones, they make you earn cash. They even give you side income very easily, and they're the most high-paying ones compared to the ones that I gave you before. And apps like this one I talked about it, an app for easy side income. It is very, very beautiful, so go for it. No matter your choice right now, there is one thing that I will always sing about is consistency and creativity. These two things will be your biggest asset in this 2025. The third segment of this small reminder and the final push is your final push at the moment. I can call a final push. Please to start. Here is the deal. You guys, let's have an argument together. 2025 can be your most profitable year, but are you ready to be pushed? The only thing you need to be prepared. You need to take a chance right now. Imagine this time next year, this time as you watch this video, after next year, you could be making like $500, $1,000, or even $4,000 on a month line. All it takes is one decision to start today. I don't want you to start tomorrow. I want you today to decide and say, since I've watched Christine's video on a market show, we are going to do passive income. We are going to start today, and we start making money online, making money with our phone, with our gadget, with our skills, with what is within us and what is around us. So what are you waiting for? By the time you watch up to this extent, I think you should have made up your mind to say you would be getting a phone and start opening a YouTube channel. Start doing something right now. You guys, I would love you to be ready. Get ready. If you're ready to crash on 2025 hit, it's okay. Just go to the comment section and write in the comment section that I'm ready. Please don't forget to subscribe for this video, because the more you subscribe for me, the more so I feel very okay, and I can take on the journey of 2025 financial freedom to be a success. It starts right now. What you do, pick your path, commit your learning, and start building your future. Let's make this year a memorable year. Let's make 2025 a beautiful 2025. Thank you very much.